Hello friends, thank you for watching all my previous videos. Today I am going to show you water purifier bottle. It's powered by space nanotechnology. As you can see here, it's pure to drink water from this bottle. It removes 99% bacteria and virus. Let's open this box and let's see what they provide in this. Wow, this is all the instruction how to get pure and safe drinking on the go, how to assemble, how to disassemble, how to fill the water, how to clean the unit, how to clean the bottle, everything, all the specification they have given over here. Let's see now what they provide in this one. There is a plastic cover for the safety of the product, and this is our bottle. 4 bays on the go. This is a self purifier bottle. It's compact and the look is also so dynamic, and they provide a purifier. This is the main object in this product, which purify water from unwanted hazardous. And this is the rubber bush for the protection, not to leak the water. Let's see what they provide inside the bottle now. This is the bottle cap, and there is a manual. In this manual you can read everything whatever they have provided in this, all the information. That's all. The bottle is empty, nothing else. This is the world's first personal space nanotechnology. As you can see, I will show you the assembly of this purifier, how to assemble. Let's see this cap. This purifier we have to put on this cap and turn it clockwise, turn up to the last threading. Now you can see it's perfectly fixed now. Then we have to put this purifier inside the bottle, and again we have to turn it around clockwise. Now it's ready to use. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.